Yeah, hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for another home fitness, home bodyweight workout. This is Byron, and today in this video we are going to do some abs. But we're going to do a little bit of a variation on an ab workout, something you may or may not have seen before. It's a variation on crunches. You know, crunches are actually one of the most effective ab workouts out there. So, and you can do them at different angles, like so. You can do it with your feet far out. You can do it with your feet about midway. There's so much of a variation you can do with crunches. But I'd like to show you a little bit of a variation on the normal crunch exercise, where you just kind of, instead of having your legs together, you kind of keep your legs out. Okay? Looks a little strange. Looks like a bug doing a, sort of a mating dance or something. But it really, when you move your legs out, just make sure your neighbors aren't watching. It really works your obliques quite effectively. So, a normal crunch really works your obliques too. But it's just a nice variation upon the normal crunch, having your legs out like so. And I'm going to do this in succession with other exercises. So you really know it. Just kind of, you can move your legs out as far as you can. It's a little bit more difficult to keep your balance as you're doing this. So just make sure you're firmly on the chair. And then, again, just move your, instead of having your legs together, like I said, it looks a little strange, but it's actually really good for working the sides, the obliques. So it's a little strange. So this is one of the exercises, one of the ab exercises we can do today. You can also mix it with others, then you can mix it with like a traditional crunch. And I'm doing it with my feet close. You can do it with your feet extended out wide. You can do it about midpoint. You can do it close. So today I'm just doing close. In addition to the others. You really notice that's a nice, when you do it in succession with the other exercise, it really multiplies, the effect on your muscles. So, just try to bring your muscles to different points of failure. Again, and then I can switch back to this one. Just keep your upper body kind of still as you're doing them. But you really will notice and you really will feel that quite well, actually. This one. Okay. And if you want to add even some more variation to the exercise, I can move the chair here and just sort of do some leg lifts, and then get some aerobic exercise at the same time. Okay. So, get an aerobic workout at the same time as you're getting an ab workout. Okay? And you can vary that with some of these. These also target the abs and the obliques. I'm just swinging my foot to the opposite side. Back and forth. Back to the leg lifts. So this gives you a little bit of aerobic workout at the same time. All right, so that's done. Let's go back to this. And let's go back to our funny looking crunches. And you really do feel that at the sides. And the overall abs, you really do feel that. Get those obliques nice and tight. Okay. Switch back to this one. Yeah. So as you continue to do, or as you continue to vary the exercises on, that are targeting a specific muscle group, you really notice how effective it is when you do, different exercises for the same muscle group at the same time. really multiplies difficulty in the challenge. So, okay. Woo, yeah, that's definitely wakes you up. Okay, so then I put this chair in front so it's kind of out of the way. Over there, it's out of the way so you can see me. And then just lift legs up. Get a little aerobic exercise at the same time as you're working your abs. Okay. You can also do some of these where you try to lift your knee up to your elbow rather than the other. Don't drop your elbow. Bring your knee up to your elbow. Okay. As you twist your body. Twist your body. Bring your knee up to your elbow. And then back to the foot swings. Okay. Which is also very good for targeting the abs. Okay. Swing your body back and forth. And swing your hips. And swing your foot to the opposite side. Very good for the abs. Very good for getting an aerobic workout. Okay, and then let's go back. So this is a little bit of everything, for the abs. This is including an aerobic workout, but it's basically a little bit of everything. And you'll find as you mix these different exercises together, then it really targets the muscles and it really challenges the muscles quite a lot. Adds layers to the exercise, to the workout. Excuse me. Adds layers to the workout. And that does get pretty challenging after a while, surprisingly. Okay, getting back to a normal crunch, close. My feet are close, and I'm really feeling that. I also do, some aerobic, some ab exercises before the workout. Before I work out, do strength training with the foot swings and the leg lifts and whatnot. Okay. Just keep your form nice and tight. Okay, and then back to this one. Okay. And abs are something you can do quite frequently because they are, they recover quite quickly. So they are something you can do every day. All right, so go back to the leg lifts. Get your aerobic exercise in there at the same time that you're working the abs. It's your nice aerobic exercise. Okay. Get a little bit of everything. Okay. Lift your knee up to your elbow. Twist your body. Okay. And then swing your hips. Okay, and you kind of throw your arm up for balance as you swing your body. And to add an opposite opposing force so you don't fall over. Opposing forces are good in physics. Alright, so there we go. And back to this one. And our lifts. And then, our regular crunches. So it's getting more and more difficult. But that's good. Try to reach, as many points of failure as you can. Depending on your skill level, if you're a beginner, please don't push yourself too hard at first. Wait a few months, 6 months to a year. Work yourself into, let your body get used to the fact that you're actually exercising and you're stressing and shocking your muscles in your body. But try to, if you're intermediate or advanced level, you've been working out for quite a while, then, feel free to try to reach as many failure points as you can and to get the maximum benefit. All right, so try a few more of these. And then mix them together. All right, and then go back and do a few more of these. Chair over there. And just lift the legs up high as they'll go. Lift the knees up as high as they'll go. Okay. Okay, then knees, your knee up to your elbows. As you twist your body, knees to elbows. Okay, then this one. Swing those hips, swing those feet. Okay, and that's all it takes to get nice tight obliques, nice tight abs. Especially when you're older, it's definitely a benefit, definitely a good thing to have. Exercises you can do in a few minutes that really help you to lose weight around that area and tighten up the abs and the oblique area. So again, so do one more set of these, even though can't really do any anymore. Do many anymore. Okay. All right. So I've reached pretty much about the terminal failure point there. So that being said, just adjust the camera there. Okay. So that being said, if you do a combination or a suite or whatever of different exercises for the abs can certainly handle it because they're very resilient muscles and they recover quickly. So it's a muscle group you can work out frequently, daily. If you're at an intermediate or advanced level, and really keep that area tight, for your own benefit or for someone else's. If you're in a relationship or something, it certainly does add a bit to your attractiveness. Of course, everyone wants to have nice abs. So anyway, that suite of or combination of different exercises for my abs gives you an aerobic workout, works your heart, works your inner body as well as your outer body. So it's a very effective workout. It's easy to do in your spare time, just like most of these body weight workouts. So again, thank you for joining me. This is Byron signing off. Everyone, please stay motivated to work out. It really doesn't take that long. You can do it in your own time, whenever it's convenient for you. And everyone stay strong out there, and thank you. See you, and everyone stay safe. Bye-bye.